Hello again, welcome to another video review, and today we're looking at this rather nice MG6 TL, finished in the black, diesel engine this one, very economical, nice car to drive, some nice spec on it as well. It's got the leather interior, 6-speed manual gearbox, all the service history with it, nice low mileage car, plenty of room in the back, it's also got a detachable tow bar, this one, reversing sensors, rear camera. Just need to get the key out to show you in the boot. So the boot release, you just press and hold. Yeah, decent amount of boot space. And underneath, it's a blow-up kit. That's the detachable tow bar neck there. Electric windows, electric door mirrors control there, automatic lighting. Just put the key in the slot there to start.
But the experts say their claims are vastly exaggerated.
DAB radio. It's control from this panel here. You can connect Bluetooth phone as well. Heated front seats. Electric handbrake comes off automatically. Central locking controls there. Nice and clean inside. Book pack with it. 44,000 miles. Steering wheel mounted controls as well. So there you go, if you're looking for a smart looking car, something a bit different, very economical, low road tax, nice to drive, a nice spacious interior, give me a shout on the usual number or drop me an email, and thanks again for watching.